अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर दोस्तों और डियर फ्रेंड्स। मैं हूं मोहम्मद वकास और हम आज अपने चैनल लर्न विद मोहम्मद के सर पर लेक्चर नंबर 7 और चैप्टर नंबर 5 फिज़िक्स को डिस्कस करेंगे, जो कि आप देख सकते हैं। सर्कुलर एंड मोशन लर्निंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ chapter number 5 circular motion. At the end of this chapter, the students will be able to learn, describe angular motion, define angular displacement, angular velocity and angular acceleration, define radian and convert an angle from radian measure to degree and vice versa. Use the equation S is equal to R theta, V is equal to R omega. Describe qualitatively motion in a curved path due to perpendicular force and understand the centrifugal acceleration in case of uniform motion in a circle. Number 6 is derive the equation A is equal to R omega square is equal to V square over R, and F is equal to M omega square, R is equal to mv square over R. Understand the describe moment and inertia of body. Understand the concept of angular momentum. Describe the example of conversion and angular momentum. Understand the express rotational kinetic energy of a disk and hop on an inclined plane. Describe the motion of artificial satellite. Understand the objective in satellite appear to the weightless. Understand the how and why artificial gravity is produced. Calculate the radius of geostationary orbits and orbital velocity of satellite. Describe Newton and essential views of gravitation. Angular displacement. What is angular displacement? Angle define the angular displacement of OP during the time interval for every small values of theta, and the angular displacement is a vector quantity. Grabs the axis of rotation in right hand with the finger circular curling in the direction of rotation, the thumb point in the direction of angular displacement as shown in the figure. Angular velocity. What is angular velocity? Angular velocity is measured in a radian per second, which is SI unit. Sometimes it is also given in terms of revolution per minute. Centripetal force. The force needed to bend the normal straight path of the particle into a circular path is called the centrifugal force. The instantaneous acceleration of an object traveling with uniform speed in a circle is directed towards the center of the circle and is called centrifugal acceleration. Momentum of inertia. Angular momentum. A particle is said to be pose an angular momentum about a reference axis if it so moves that its regular position changes relative to the reference axis. The axis of rotation of an object will not change its orientation unless an external torque case is to do so. The summary of that chapter is: angular displacement is the angle subtended at the center of circle by a particle moving along the circumference is given time. SI unit of angular measurement is radian. Angular acceleration is rate of change of angular velocity. Relationship between angular and orthogonal and linear quantities. S is equal to r theta, V is equal to r omega, A is equal to r alpha. The force needed to move a body around a circle path is called centrifugal force and is calculated by the expression F is equal to mr omega square is equal to mv square over r. तो दोस्तों ये था हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 5, इसकी ऑब्जेक्टिव लर्निंग एंड समरी। और नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम चैप्टर नंबर 6 को डिस्कस करेंगे। तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।